how to password protect a file on Google Drive. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict or protect any of the file on your Google Drive so that no person can simply get an access to it if they're not authorized. So what you got to do is, first of all, open your Google Drive. So within Google Drive, it's a lot different than the other website because you need to restrict the people's access. To do that, what you're going to do is simply click on these three dots over here, and then you're going to click on share. Click on share once again, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now, over here under the general access, you'll be able to see anyone with link. That means any person who has the link to this file will be able to view it. In order to restrict their access or in order to protect your file, what you're going to do is click on anyone with the link, and then you're going to click on restricted. Now, no person who has the link will be able to view it. Only the people with access will be able to view the link. You can simply click on copy link and send it to anyone. And when they try to open it, they will be redirected to send you a message. So they'll be asked to send you a message, and the message would be like, please give me the access to this file. And then you will get that through your email, and then you have to accept that in order to give them the access. Or alternatively, you can simply click on add people, groups, and calendar events over here. And once you do so, you'll be able to see that when you type their person's email over here, you'll be able to see the person's email appear within the list of people with access. And that's it. That is how you can protect your files on Google Drive. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.